Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's design is going to be a pretty pink camo splodge nail. So I've already prepped, dehydrated and primed these nails. I've sculpted some tips on and I'll be using 3 different pinks today. And they're called Pink Flamingo, Magic Wand and Wild Strawberry. So I'm using crystal clear as a base here because I've made the mistake in the past where I have popped the colour straight onto the nail and it might stain. So I'm using crystal clear to prevent that. Also, you can take this design off when they want to backfill later on. Just file off all the pink, all the design, and it'll go down to a clear base. So here I'm just popping on some pink splodges really. Just going to go all over the nail. I'm building up a little bit of a wall, so when I put a colour next to it, you can tell the difference. So I'm basically just going for random shapes. I want this to be a bit of a camo design. So I'm just going for a random mix of shapes. So once you're happy with one colour, I've then going in with another colour and I'm just going to set the next pink just in random splodges again. So just make sure each colour is set before you go in with the next colour. And now I'm going in with Mega White. I'm going in with this really shimmery red and it's called Wild Strawberry. Now I'm just leaving that to set. I've just made sure I've filled in all the spaces, there's no gaps, and don't worry if all the colours are overlapping, that'll be sorted out in a minute. So using a hand file, I'm just going to neaten up all the edges, make them nice and straight. And now using my Efile, I'm going to remove most of the product. This will give crisper edges between the colours. So I'm just dusting off the excess, and then I'm going to go in with my hand file and again just sharpen up all them edges. Now I'm going to buff over the nail. And use an acetone and a lint-free wipe. I'm going to wipe over that nail, get rid of all the dust and all the imperfections on that nail. So after I've e-filed most of the product off the nail, I'm going to go in with crystal clear just to strengthen the structure. So after I've filed and buffed the nail, I'm now going to top coat it. I'm going to pop it under the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to rehydrate the nail using the Neo Nails cuticle oil. So I hope you liked today's design. I know I did. And we've done like the non-traditional camo design. Could be alright for Valentine's Day. So I hope you like the design and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All the products are listed below. See you next time. Bye!